A favorite way to allow our students to explore their shapes and their three-dimensional figures is going to be by accessing digital tools. For example, here, I can drag out this hexagon and I can talk about how many sides does it have, how many corners, how many angles, and I can compare it to this octagon or pentagon or quadrilaterals. It's really important to give kids an opportunity to explore, and then after they've explored, you can talk deeply about the attributes of those shapes. So one thing that increases student ownership and excitement is going to be using digital tools where kids are encouraged to create objects of their own. Let's see. It can be specific. For example, they can design a playground, they can design something specific, but sometimes it's just great to let kids just explore and create whatever they want. So they can do that with shapes. And then we can explore solids. So we can talk about what type of solid is this? How do we know? And we can cut it apart or open it up. Now what that does is allows me to see all of the shapes, the two-dimensional shapes that I'm used to seeing. So we now can say, how many sides does it have? How many faces does that solid figure have? And what shape are those faces? So these are squares. What shape are these faces? This one's a rectangle. I think this is also a rectangle. But so this is a very powerful tool for reinforcing their understanding of solids.